Good morning, righty. So I'm going to carry on with my gable here. Don't know if you can see a line there, but it's probably about that how much higher. That is where the purlin ledge is going to be. So if you look at this one, these at indents are for the purlins, which are the beams going through the building. So basically I'm going to get my line dead flat across that level. So it's just basically above that. So imagine, so it's a bit thicker down here. Get that dead level and then step it back and then carry on up. So basically today, see that little knot in the wood there? I want to be about there. And then that is actually me done here for a minute. Pat's going to continue with his side on the other side light. And because we've got another job starting, which we need to start because we've put it back basically, because this one's obviously pushed us back. So yeah, so that is my plan today, basically, just to get above the purlin ledge and then just knock it in there. And then once we got them purlin ledges on, roofer can obviously crack on with the roof, and then we'll come back and then obviously fill in all the gaps, etc. Get right up to the apex there. And yeah, and everything will be a little treat. Anyway, without further ado, let's crack on with today. And fingers crossed it doesn't rain, because we're supposed to have rain all day, but it is spitting. But yeah, it's not hard at the minute. So anyway, let's crack on. Oh, my old toothbrush. She's my new toothbrush. Thank you very much, and good night. Hi. I drove all night. Yeah. crept in your room to make love, yeah, to make love with you. Is that all right? Is that microclimate you're in? Oh, if it gets any heavier, man, I'm gonna have to cover this. What a proper patio. Like the edge of 17. Crap in the kitchen. I keep dancing on my own. He's done his bit. Enjoy the iron. Boom, and we are pretty much there now. We don't have to build like the gables pretty much, you know, fully, because Roofer Man can crack on with what we've got basically, because they're on a tight schedule as well. So yeah, they're gonna crack on, get the roof on, and then we will return to do all the final pointing and just finish off anything, because you know, we're not going to get our walls dead straight. There will be some bumps and that, so we'll come back in and obviously point and stuff. So but yeah, so like I say, tomorrow I'm cracking on with a new job. Lovely little job actually. It's around the pool. It's just dry stone effect cladding, lovely jubbly, simple, just bosh bosh bosh. So I'm gonna be doing that for the next like 3 days or so, but I am returning Saturday back to the barn, and with Cam, because he's back now as well. So yeah, like I say, we're going to return Saturday and just do some more tidying up and stuff, just to make it all nice for obviously the scaffold and stuff for the roof and stuff. So yeah, so we'll be back, but like I say, I'm just going to crack on with a few little jobs now. you know, get our teeth into them and just, yeah, try and catch up, because the tail's between our legs at the minute. It's it's a bit mad, but it's good. But, you know, it's mad. But, yeah, so anyway, let's crack on with tomorrow and new job, baby. So I'm looking forward to this one. Looking forward to it. Like I say, I really enjoyed that little dry stone effect retaining wall I just did over the weekends, like. So this one's going to be even better, really. It's because it's actually going to be yeah, just a lovely little pool area, basically. Cladding, nice and easy. Lovely jubbly. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in a bit.